voices ring to every rock and sea and creature. We seek to understand all nature. To the spirits we call, seeking wisdom from spring, summer, winter, and fall.
Morning, Jeremy, mein Colin, Drenemen, Selling, Fearful, Haligan, Ashalder, Birch Hazel, Hawthorn, Holly, Oak, Rowan, Willow. To nature we call, to land, sea, and sky, to the nine sacred trees, to magic divine. Our nature in Manal, our tear, our more, and our weir. I know cool and sun-tide, dear moon, our
where the whispers of nature speak, in this our freedom seek. A voice calls to us within, God and Goddess, spirit source. We hear and heed the magic force.
Morning, Jeremy, when Colin, Drenemen, Selling, Fearful, Haligan, Ashalder, Birch Hazel, Hawthorn, Holly, Oak, Rowan, Willow. To nature we call, to land, sea, and sky, to the nine sacred trees, to magic divine. Our nature in Mangal, our tear, our more, and our weir. I know cool and sun-tide, dear mood, our
We're voices we lift on high, to earth's power and ocean's tide. Upon the wings of air we stand, glimpsing nature's power fair. Through fire's heat we dwell here gladly at nature's feet, from the rolling tide of water clear. Here in nature we see no fear, for she is wise beyond us all. Heed us, nature, hear our call.
Morning, Jeremy, when Colin, Drenemen, Selling, Fearful,